Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott. I'm here at Guaranty RV Super Centers this beautiful day in Junction City to show you a trailer it's just like brand new. This is a 2018 Clipper Coachmen. It's about a 14-footer, probably a little bit longer if you measure the hitch, but it's one of the smaller trailers we're going to ever see. And it's just clean as a whistle. We just got it and we haven't done a thing to it. So we just are looking at it just how we got it. Now let's see the inside, and you'll see how compact this little gem is. So in the interior of the coach, we've got a dining area here. It's currently in the down position, but this table just folds up and down. It's totally portable. And then these cushions will fold across just like this to make a bed. Now some people will just leave their bedding down, and this will be their bedding area, but you can put it up and down. You can take the table out. You can actually have another person sleeping on this right here. It also just makes a nice seating area. We've got some good counter space. We've got a little gas electric fridge. The furnace is right here. I'll tell you, it doesn't take a lot to keep this small space warm. It's a great little camper for cold weather because of that. And lots of overhead storage for a small rig. Just really good spaces. One thing that I want to mention is this has a front window. There aren't a lot of trailers out there that have front windows, and when that's open, it really opens this place up, throws around a lot of light. TV can set up here. This is pre-wired for cable and portable satellite. And it has a microwave. And also it's got a rooftop air. Sometimes you look at these little trailers and they have a small window air conditioner in them, but this has a conventional air and it'll really keep it cool in here. We've got a real live bathroom. Sometimes small trailers like this have what's called a wet bath, but this is a dry bath. It's got a toilet and a shower. You don't have to sit on the toilet to take a shower. Isn't that nice? Then also back here, we've got some storage. So you got a place to put your coats and whatnot. A little bit more up here. Let's take a look outside. So what we've got out here that's notable, I think especially, is that it has a power awning. You don't have to wrestle it in and out, just push a button, it does its thing. Now this is a single axle trailer because it doesn't weigh very much and it just doesn't need two axles. That'll save you money and tires down the road. We've got storage access right here, up underneath that big long bench. And then here, oh, here's a good thing to know. That is a portable ZAMP solar connector. So if you want a solar panel, you don't have to do it built into your roof. You can just plug it in right here, solar portable. Nice feature on this that you don't often see on a little trailer. It's got a battery disconnect system. I can turn off my batteries so that they don't drain out while I'm not using the trailer. Now you could see that this trailer looks like brand new. Doesn't have any damage at all, but because it's a sheet metal exterior, it should always look brand new. Sheet metal does not weather, and that's one of the reasons I really like this kind of a trailer. Plus they don't weigh much and they don't cost much. Easy to buy. So if you're interested in this trailer or anything like it, please feel free to give me a call. My name's Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.